Have you ever wondered which collaboration tool is better? Today, we're comparing Apple Freeform and Miro. Both tools help teams brainstorm and organize ideas, but they have different features. Let's start with Apple Freeform. This app is all about flexibility. You can create a blank canvas and add notes, images, and drawings. It's great for visual thinkers who want to sketch out ideas. Plus, it integrates well with other Apple products, making it easy for Mac and iPad users. Now, let's look at Miro. This platform is designed for team collaboration. It offers a wide range of templates for different projects. You can create mind maps, flowcharts, and even Kanban boards. Miro also allows real time collaboration so your team can work together no matter where they are. Both tools have their strengths, but they cater to different needs. If you want a simple, free flowing space to jot down thoughts, Apple Freeform is a good choice. On the other hand, if you need a structured environment for team projects, Miro is the way to go. When it comes to features, Apple Freeform shines with its simplicity and ease of use. You can quickly add elements without much hassle. Miro, however, offers more advanced tools like timers, voting, and integrations with other apps, which can be very helpful for larger teams. In terms of pricing, Apple Freeform is free for Apple users, while Miro has both free and paid plans. The paid plans unlock more features and larger boards. So, which one should you choose? If you're an individual or a small team looking for a straightforward tool, go for Apple Freeform. But if you are part of a larger team that needs collaboration features, Miro might be the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.